Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be talking all about the Bentonite Clay mask that I use to detox my hair. So I'll be sharing with you guys my experience, what I think about it, if you should go ahead and use it or not. So the first thing I'm going to do is to first of all clarify my hair. I'm going to use same amount of water and the same amount of apple cider vinegar to go ahead to use that to cleanse my hair. Then once I'm done doing that, I'll show you guys what is next to do. So go ahead and apply the mixture to your hair in sections. So I have my hair section into 4. Like you guys will see in my previous video, I like working in section. It just makes life so much easier for everyone. So go ahead and apply the mixture to your hair, and then once you're done doing that, you will leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes. I think I left mine for 20 minutes. Then you rinse it out. So in the meantime, we're going to go ahead and mix our bentonite clay with some apple cider and water. So I use more of the apple cider vinegar compared to the water. Mix that up. So the consistency you want is almost like a yogurt consistency, not too watery, not too thick. Alright, so I'm back and this is what my hair currently looks like. I'm going to go ahead and section it into 4 again before I start this process of adding the clay. Alright, so I'm just gonna grab my clay and start applying that on my hair. And I just have this little towel here to dry off excess water. So starting from the back section, I'm just gonna take a little and apply it. You wanna get your roots. And then you walk your way from your roots to the tip of your hair. So you can go ahead and section it more. So like I mentioned, I didn't measure the clay. I just eyeballed it. And if I need more, I'll be making more mix. So I think it depends on how full the density of your hair and how long your hair. It's not going to be the same measurement for everyone. So just keep applying it. Make sure you get everywhere. I probably need to do a trim as well. I haven't done a trim in forever. Look at those juicy curls, guys. Like, I'm so excited. So this is currently what my hair looks like right after washing out the bentonite clay. Like, my curls are so defined. My hair feels really soft. I am so happy with the results. So you guys can take a look for yourself. And my scalp is super duper clean. So yeah, this is almost like you did a wash and go, but not really. I just did my bentonite clay. So at this point, just because of the way the bentonite clay dries out the hair, you need to go in with to hydrate your hair. All right, I know you guys can see how fly my hair looks like. It looks so on point. We're just gonna go in with my deep conditioner. You want to make sure after you detox or cleanse your hair, you're going with your deep conditioner. And this is a DIY deep conditioner I made myself. And for the sake of this video, I'm not going to be showing you guys how I made it. But if you guys will be interested in seeing how I made the deep conditioner, please leave a comment in the comment section below, and I will be sure to upload a video on how I did it. But in the meantime, let's keep watching. Alright, so we're all done. This is the rinse out. That's what my hair currently looks like. No, seriously, I'm really happy with the way my hair turned out. It looks really nice. Okay, and so that's pretty much it. That's all we have. I'm supposed to do what's it called? Wash and go. Let's see if this kind of wash and go style looks on me. Something more like. Alrighty, thank you so much for staying to the end of this video. That's just me playing around with my hair. If you like what you've seen so far, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment, and I'll see you guys soon.